Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now here I am at the Dollar Tree looking at the seasonal stuff. Come out with me, guys. Now this is also a quick announcement that I am starting a new collaboration monthly, and it's called Declutter My Space. It is the first Monday of every month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is spring cleanup, guys, and I cannot wait to see you there, starting this evening. Now I am using the hashtag DeclutterMySpace23. It makes it easy for me to find your videos and add you to the playlist. So have an amazing day, guys. Hopefully I'll see you tonight.